A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today continuing with the identities, we have already finished 6 identities from the question from the side 8.4. Today, before we shall start some more identities and prove them, we have already started, apart from these virtual classes, community class at BHS is carrying on. So do come there. Some students, most of the students are coming there, and they are attending all classes, and we are adopting all SOPs, and there is nothing to worry about. Masks and sanitizer are in place there, so you should come to attend those community classes also. And for these virtual classes, we shall continue here also. For those students who use their mobile sets and learn something what we teach here. Now we have already finished, completed these 6 parts of this exercise, rather 7 parts of this exercise, 7 questions. Now 8th question is, we have to prove that whether sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cosec A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 tan square A plus cot square A. This we are going to prove. Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square, this is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Let us take left hand side LHS. Our LHS is sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. So this we have to prove that whether this left hand side is equal to right hand side, that is 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So let's proceed further. Sin A plus cosec A, you know cosec is the reciprocal of sin, so instead of sin we shall write here sin A whole square plus cos A is cos A, and for sec A is the reciprocal of cos A, we shall write here cos A 1 divided by cos, because 1 divided by cos is sec whole square. Now cross multiplying here, this is 1 plus sin into sin is sin square A divided by sin A into, there is plus, or let's try in another way. This is sin A. Let's apply here A plus B whole square, and here also A plus B whole square. A plus B, instead of A we have here sin A, for B we have here cosec A whole square, and A plus B whole square we know is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So it is sin square A plus cosec square A plus sin A plus twice sin A cosec A. Applying here identity A plus B whole square, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Similarly here, this is cos square A plus sec square A plus twice cos A sec A. So this is further equal to sin square A plus cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A. So instead of cosec square A, we shall write here 1 plus cot square A plus twice sin A into cosec A is 1, because the angle is multiplied to its reciprocal. Any number multiplied to its reciprocal is 1. Sin into cosec is 1. Like this. We can write here sin A into cosec. For cosec A, it is 1 by sin A. Sin and sin will go. We are left with 1. So this is 2 into 1. Sin A into cosec A. Sin A is multiplied to its reciprocal, and the result is 1. Plus cos square A plus, what is sec square? It is 1 plus tan square A. We already know this identity. 1 plus tan square A is sec square A, plus twice cos A into sec A is again 1, because cos A is multiplied to its reciprocal, and that is again 1. So now look here, sin square A plus cos square A, this is fundamental identity. We can write here like this: sin square A plus cos square A plus 1 plus cot square A plus 2 ones are 2 plus cos square we have already written here plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2 ones are 2. Now this is sin square A plus cos square A is 1, this is fundamental identity, plus 1 plus cot square A plus 2 plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2. So this is 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5, 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So this is 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A, or you can write 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A, which is our right hand side. So this was to be proved. So now let's explain it further. This is sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. This is our left hand side. Now this is A plus B whole square. Again it is A plus B whole square. And A plus B, we know A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So for A we have here sin. It is A square is sin square A plus B square is cosec square A plus twice AB, twice sin A into cosec A, plus similarly this A plus B again whole square. Here for A we have here cos A, and for B we have here sec A. Again we can write A square is cos square A, B square is sec square A, plus twice cos A sec A. Now look here, sin square A plus cosec square A. For this cosec square A we write 1 plus cot square A, because we know by identity cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A, plus twice sin A into cosec. Since sin is multiplied to its reciprocal 2, that is 1. So 2 into 1, sin into cosec is 1, plus cos square A here, plus sec square A. For sec square A we will write here 1 plus tan square A. This we already know. Sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta, plus 2 into cos A into sec A. Again cos A is multiplied to its reciprocal, it is 1. So 2 ones are 2. This is sin square A here, sin square A, and here it is cos square A. Sin square A plus cos square A, this we know this is a fundamental identity, and this is equal to 1. Plus 1 plus cot square A plus 2 ones are 2 plus cos square A we have here plus 1 again plus tan square A plus 2 ones are 2. Now sum them up. This is 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A, or 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This was to be proved. This was our right hand side. So this was very important question. This part number 7. Now part number, no, it was part number 8. Now part number 9 or question number 9 of this exercise, we have to simplify left hand side and right hand side separately. So let me wrap it off. Now ninth question of this exercise, you have to simplify left hand side and right hand side separately. And here left hand side is cosec A minus sin A, cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. This is equal to 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. Now this time we have to simplify this left hand side and right hand side separately. Let's take this left hand side. This is cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. This is our left hand side. So what is cosec A? This we know is the reciprocal of sin. So instead of cosec A, we shall write here 1 divided by sin A minus sin A into sec A is 1 divided by cos A minus cos A. Now cross multiply, 1 into 1 is 1, minus sin into sin is sin square A divided by sin A into 1 into 1 is 1, minus cos into cos is cos square A divided by cos A. Now we know 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So 1 minus sin square, for 1 minus sin square we write here cos square A divided by sin A into, and 1 minus cos square A is sin square A divided by cos A. Now cos A and 1 cos A will go, sin A and 1 sin A will go. We are left with cos A sin A. So this is our left hand side, cos A into sin A. Now what was our right hand side? This should also come equal to cos A into sin A. Our right hand side is 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. This is further equal to 1 divided by, for sin A we will write here sin A divided by cos A, and for cot A it is a reciprocal of tan, that is cos A divided by sin A. Now cross multiply, this is equal to 1 divided by sin into sin is sin square A plus cos into cos is cos square A divided by cos A sin A. This is further equal to 1 divided by 1 because sin square A plus cos square A is 1. This is fundamental identity, divided by cos A sin A. This can be further written as 1 into cos A sin A divided by 1. So this is cos A sin A. So this is our right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand, and left hand side is equal to right hand side. Further, let's explain it further. This was cosec A into minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. For cosec A we shall write here 1 divided by, because it is the reciprocal of sin, we shall write here 1 divided by sin A minus sin A divided by 1. For sec A we shall write here 1 by cos, because it is the reciprocal of cos minus cos A. So by cross multiplication, 1 into 1 is 1, sin into sin is sin square A divided by sin 1s are sin. Similarly in this 1 into 1 is 1, cos into cos is cos square A divided by cos A. Now we know that 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta, for this we shall write here cos square A divided by sin A into 1 minus cos square is sin square A divided by cos A. Now cos A and cos A 1 will go, and sin A and sin A will go. We are left with cos A. 1 cos A is left here and sin A is here. So left hand side is cos A into sin A. Similarly right hand side we shall separately simplify this. 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. For tan A we shall write here sin A divided by cos A. For cot is the reciprocal of tan, so we shall write here cos A divided by sin A. By cross multiplying, sin into sin is sin square A, cos into cos is cos square A, divided by denominator is cos into sin, that is cos is sin A. Now 1 divided by, what is sin square theta plus cos? That is 1, because this is fundamental identity. Divided by cos into sin A. Now multiplying the reciprocal, so 1 into cos into sin A, that's cos is sin A. So this is our right hand side. So right hand side is also equal to cos A sin A. Left hand side is also equal to cos A sin A. Now last question of this exercise is, that is 10th part. Now last part is 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus tan square, this is 10th part, 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A, this is equal to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square. This should come equal to tan square. Now let us separately simplify these. Let's take this left hand side. This is 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. So what is 1 plus tan square A? 1 plus tan square A is sec square A. And what is 1 plus cot square A? It is cosec square A. So this can be further written as sec A is the reciprocal of cos, so we shall write here 1 divided by 1 by cos square A divided by cosec is the reciprocal of sine, so this is 1 divided by sine square A. This is further equal to 1 divided by cos square A into taking the reciprocal sine square A divided by 1 sine square A. This is sine square A divided by cos square A, and this we know is equal to tan square. So this is equal to tan square. This side is equal to tan square. So let's take this 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square. So this is further equal to 1 minus, what is tan A? It is sin A divided by cos A whole square. Divided by 1 minus cos A divided by sin A, this whole square here. So cross multiplying, this is cos A minus sin A divided by cos A whole divided by sin A minus cos A divided by sin A. Again, this is whole square. So we shall further write here cos A minus sin A divided by cos A whole divided by, taking this minus common, this will become plus and this will become minus. So this can be written as cos A minus sin A divided by sin A whole square. Now we know that the square of minus is again plus. Minus we take here common so as to make these two identical. So what is left with? We are left with 1 divided by cos A whole divided by 1 divided by sin A whole square. This is further equal to 1 divided by cos A. Taking the reciprocal, this is sin A divided by 1 whole square. This is sin A divided by cos A whole square. Sin by cos is tan, so this is tan square. That is it. So that's all for try, inshallah. Tomorrow we shall take up chapter number 9. These are some applications of trigonometry. And for this, tomorrow inshallah. And today we have completed this. And I shall remember you, make you remember that we are taking the community classes at BHS Skyrihaman in the premises under the shady trees. So we can attend those classes also. All students are invited. Most of the students are already participating in those classes, so you should also come there. And the timing for those classes is 10 a.m. So all teachers are taking their classes. Science teacher is there, for English teacher is also there, math teacher is also available there. So do come and take advantage. For next lesson inshallah, Till then, Khuda Hafiz.